There's one scalping strategy that is becoming popular over there in my YouTube channel, over here in my YouTube channel, and many people actually are using it mostly to make trades with 5-minute candles. But in this specific video, I'm gonna show you this same scalping strategy to get more pips, more profits faster. Hi everyone, this is Christian here on YouTube and welcome to a brand new video for the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna go ahead and talk about the scalping strategy that is going to make you faster and bigger profits in Forex trading. This is a very super simple strategy, and more importantly, it's available in every single platform that you can use, whether it's MT4, MT5, or if you're gonna use it as well on ZTrader as I'm using it with IC Markets. So in this specific video, I'm gonna give you this tutorial. If you're new to my channel and you're into binary options, Forex trading, crypto trading, or any type of making money online, this channel is for you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button below and activate the notifications bell icon so that you get a notification for every new video that I upload. With that being said, let's jump into the video. Everyone, so right now I'm actually on my ZTrader platform on IC Markets, and right now I'm gonna break down what are the parameters that I'm actually looking at in order for me to test this specific strategy. Okay, one of the things that you gotta keep in mind is that this specific strategy, since it's scalping, it requires very fast actions and movements to place the trade fast and so on, but also keep an eye on the trade while it's active. Okay, you're not supposed to just leave it there and go out there or whatever. All right, so here's what we are going to do. The first thing that you need to add are moving averages that are going to determine the movement of the actual candlesticks. For instance, right here we have the moving average with a period of 6. You can actually right click if you're over here in ZTrader. If you're in MT4, MT5, you go to the indicators tab and you're gonna look for moving average over there, and it's gonna be a simple moving average, and that's gonna be added with the period of 6. I actually have it with the period of 6. You can have it in blue color as myself. Then we have another one with the period of 14, which is the yellow one, and then another one with the period of 50, which is the white one. What is it that you're going to do? You're gonna set up the actual trade when the blue moving average is crossing the yellow moving average going on the direction of the blue line. So for instance, right now, actually enter for a call position or a buy option because it's actually jumping and it's going to cross against this specific candle. Now, I have a stop loss placed right here, but the stop loss, like in this specific strategy, the stop loss shouldn't be that long, because if it goes on the opposite direction, then it's not going to jump back within the next few minutes. So it's better just to accept the loss and that's it. Now, this strategy is accurate from 70 to 85%, which means that 8 out of 10 trades most of the times will be accurate. Now, what you're supposed to do is manage your risk reward super good and your profit and loss percentage super good as well. What is it that I do? In this specific trade, GBP JPY, I actually enter for a buy option and I enter price, where's the price at? 135.898. And then I actually said that take profit at this level right here, hoping that it's going to jump and touch right here. And I put the stop loss right here really low, but you don't necessarily need to put it in there. Why? Because if it drops around this area, and most likely is because the price is not going to jump anymore. So if you notice, I'm actually risking right now 9 pips. Right now is jumping, is actually at 28 pips right now in profit, and the target is actually 50 pips. Now, anything could happen within 1 hour, and one thing that you have to take in consideration, and this is, I just watching it right now, is that there's a slightly resistance level right here. It might not be respected, but something that we could consider. So what I'm going to do is that I'm actually going to move my take profit, my stop loss level to this area to make at least, let me see, 10 pips. Yeah, 10 pips. So right now we actually jumped already. All right, the jump was fast, and this is the cool thing about this strategy, because if you enter at the right time, then the price is going to go in the right direction, or it's going to drop in the wrong direction, and you're going to lose the trade. But you're going to lose what, 10 pips, 2% of your balance. However, right now what I'm going to do, since I already moved my stop loss, I'm going to move my take profit a little bit higher, and I'm going to be playing around with it. This is just one trade. So for instance, if I lose the trade trade. Right now, I'm gonna make $8.78, which is 0.67% increase in my account. And if I actually win it, I will make $57 and I will make 4.42% increase in my account. So whatever happens right now, I already won the transaction, right? Now let's go ahead and this looks pretty damn good, but let's go ahead and take a look at the other one. The other one is AUD USD CAD. Why is it that I enter in this sell position? Because I saw that the actual moving average on the period of 6 crossed. Let me go ahead and get the pencil. There you go. It crossed the yellow moving average, but this is a clear downtrend. So what's going to happen is that this is going to continue dropping. So that's the reason why I actually entered the position. I might have entered too early in this position, but it's not too bad. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm actually gonna move my take profit. This is the cool thing about this specific broker, by the way. And I'm gonna move as well my stop loss all the way to this level. So I'm actually risking for, let me see, 7 pips in stop loss and 28 pips in take profit. So that's a huge win ratio, okay? Risk reward. So what I'm going to do right now is that I'm just gonna monitor these two positions and we're gonna see how much money we can make with them. The same thing is going to happen. Once this one actually drops, then I'm gonna move my stop loss to a profitable level and my take profit a little bit further away so that I can have a winning window. And as long as the pair keeps on moving in the same direction, I'm gonna keep on making it, or I'm gonna keep on doing that up until the transaction closes. Whether it's gonna hit its stop loss, but this stop loss might be in 20, 30, 50 pips, whatever. And the coolest thing is that, remember, then I actually risk my like 1% of my balance, but I'm actually looking forward to make a bigger increase in my account. So if this trade, for instance, this GBP JPY continues to jump all the way over here, just as an example, right? I'm gonna move my take profit right here just to show you. Then that means that if I win that position, I'm gonna be making almost 10% increase in my account in one single trade. So that's the beauty of this specific strategy. And it's very easy to use, and it's a day trading strategy. It's not a swing trading strategy. In case that's why you don't like swing trading, then this is a day trading strategy. So you can make easily 2-3% increase in your account in 2 different trades. So that's like a 6-10% even increase in your account in one single day if you follow these trades correctly. Now, what's the worst thing that can happen is that it goes in the opposite direction and then you end up losing like 0.5% of your balance. In 2, 3, 4 trades that you lose 2% of your balance. You win one position with 4% of your increase in your account, then you're gonna be in profit for 2% increase every single day. So as long as you master it, you're gonna be good to go. So right now what I'm going to do is that I'm actually gonna pause this recording and I'm gonna get back to you within a couple of hours at the most and see how the next 2-3 candles are actually behaving. Okay, so here's what happened within the last 20 minutes at the most. The stop loss was actually touched on this specific candle. This is the GBP JPY. So I made a total of $8.26, 10.5 pips. So not bad at all. I ended up making money. However, I entered a brand new trade because right now it's looking as a strong jump right here. So I already made money with it, but I might be able to make some more. Now, what I did is that I actually put the stop loss in this level a little bit below where the candle originally was opened, because if it drops lower than that, then that's it. It's not gonna jump more. But I also added the take profit into this level. So what's going to happen is that right now it's 9:54. There's a new candle that is going to start in 5 minutes. This is gonna be starting right around right here. Wherever it closes, it's going to start. If it jumps a little more, then it's gonna start in this level, and if it drops a little bit, it's gonna start in this level. But if this candle drops this much, then there's no way for us to continue making money. But if it starts going up within the next hour, if this candle closes above this level, then we're gonna have at least 1 or 2 more candles going up. So that's the reason why I actually entered a second transaction. I already made my money. So right now I'm just trying to make money with the same position or the same pair on a longer term. And USD CAD is kind of looking in there. This this trade is actually going to, when the candle closes, the next one should be a drop. Probably it's not gonna be that much. Probably it's gonna close around right here, but it's still gonna make you money. So right now we are just going to wait. So I'm just gonna pause this video right now and come back with part number 3. All right, people, so it's been a few hours ever since I actually started this specific streaming or video, and the results are actually looking good. The one that I actually lost was the second trade that I entered, this one right here, unfortunately 2 hours after, because as you can see there was a kind of a weird retraction in this specific area right here. Instead of keeping going up, it actually started retracting, but it's good. We still were able to actually make some money with USD CAD. We ended up actually getting this in the money right here. As you can see, it dropped a little bit. I actually put the take profit lower because I wanted to actually make some fast profit. I was able to make what? Let me see, 14 pips, $30. So pretty fast money, right? My account has actually grown right now for $26. I'm just actually testing this specific strategy, but I'm going to use it tomorrow. Well, tomorrow's Friday, so I'm gonna use it on Monday, and I'm gonna place 4 trades pretty much in order to see how much more money I can actually make with this secondary account that I have. So if you want to be part of this journey, if you want to see it, then make sure you're subscribed to this YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you guys have any questions, you can put them in the comment section below. I'll be glad to answer those comments as soon as I can. And more importantly, if you want to see more tutorials just like this one, make sure you are subscribed to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.